Alright, how y'all doing? Back at it again. Stream wash, pressure washing. I got the water filling up right now. I got a little easy one today. Just got a long driveway, and I'm gonna take care of the house for him. Watch. Hold up. See? So I'm gonna take care of this driveway. All of this black right here. Well, not even black, it's green. You see that right there? That's usually what happens on the houses. I usually just get that 2 foot, 3 foot of, I guess, of build up. So I'm gonna take care of all of the wall for him, and then all of this. I got that here because I've done this house before and all the water sits right here. So this is gonna suck it up, and I'm just gonna tip it over and the water's gonna go over there. I just already know that all the water builds up right here. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. So y'all get to see some befores and some afters, and hopefully some durings. Just got a little sidewalk, little walkway. Sidewalk. See, I've done this before, but maybe about a year and a half ago. About a year and a half. You see the lines? That was when I was a rookie. Look at my rookie mistakes. See that right there? See this right here? Rookie mistakes. It's because I didn't post-treat after. Now I'm gonna post-treat, so you're gonna see a world of a difference. All right, this is the way I have to suck out my SH. I have a little pump that's a 2.5 gallon. It goes in there. It's actually connected to my battery. I just have it temporarily connected to the battery, and I can shoot out SH just enough to fill up my tank, my pump sprayer. Remember, I'm not doing a house wash on here, so I really don't need too much. But if anybody was curious on how I take out my SH from my barrel, that's pretty much how. After I pull out the necessary amount, I just get this one and I put it in the water bucket and I let it flush to clean out that pump, and that little pump has been working wonders for me. Had no issues with it, no problems whatsoever. So let me show you how I switch the water. Take this off. See? So now it all cut off. Get this one right here. That's full of SH right now. Drop it in my water bucket. And then turn it back on. There's a little bit of water gets shot in there, it's okay. And then, bam. See? But I'm gonna get to use chemical injector real quick. I gotta put the chemical injector at the bottom to kind of weigh it down, so that way I'm not sucking the wall, no homo. But that's it, you see? So now I'm gonna push those 5 gallons through this little pump to flush it out. This could get closed already. This is done. There it is. You see? So now my pump sprayer is already connected. My pump sprayer is ready to go. I've already had the soap and everything mixed in there. Put a little bit of surfactant. I'll put a little bit more just to show y'all. And I'm using this right now because the last job I had, this is what I usually use right here, but it's empty. So I had to stop at the store and get some of this. Cheap, easy to, and I could use as much as I want without having to bitch that I'm wasting my soaps. So put a little bit of soap in there. There you go. My pump sprayer is done. I gotta get my degreaser ready as well because I am gonna throw some degreaser down on this. So I gotta get my degreaser next. See, I can use this water to clean that because technically it's clean water. It's just water. Remember, this is just flushing out. This is just flushing the pump, so that way the pump is not stuck with SH and get corroded, and that way I could use it again and again and again. So I'm gonna put this over here for right now, just out the way. And then I believe my, see, it's done. It's done. So now, take it off. There it is. My little pump goes back into my back of my truck. See? So it goes right there. And I'm good to go. This is I'm gonna use this for my degreaser. Let me get my degreaser. This one has no name, but I get this locally here in Houston at a place called Action Cleaning Supplies. Some badass degreaser. I don't need too much of it. About all I need. It's a pretty big driveway, so it's about all I need right there. Anybody remember where I put my top? Damn, I didn't bring my top. What'd I do with the top? That's one thing, man. These little stupid tops and whatever, man, they're easily losable. That's always the pain. So, okay, so my bucket's right there. Let me... My degreaser's filling up. And yeah, I just use my dump tank. This is where I dump all the water from. I just dump it out, and this is where I use to fill up my buckets and do what I do as well. It's very helpful. All right, that's about all I need. Let me cut this off. All right, cut it off. I put it right here, pretty much. Oops. Cone out. I should have put my cone out a long time ago. Sorry, that's my bad. I should have put my cone out. Bam, cone is out. See the cone? Lets people know I'm right here. So, now it's a little pinkish. It was purple, now it's pink. That's gonna be thrown on there. All right, I'll keep y'all posted. driveway is complete. My last step is I'm going to spray bleach, SH, all on the driveway to any streaks, anything that's left behind. It will pick it up, so that's my last step. We're done. Let's take a look around. Let's see the after. All right. And remember, this is after I already sprayed the SH on there just to make sure that there was no streaks. There's no lines already. You can tell there was already no lines, but this just helps prevent any lines that come. Anything that was still stuck on there, because there was a lot of green. Remember guys, pressure washing does not take away the green. Chemicals does that. Look at that. Yeah, I didn't see it before, but that was horribly green still after the fact that I pressure washed it. So here's all of this. It's still wet, that's why it kind of looks the way it does. That puddle, I was trying to fight it and I was gonna get the recovery system, but man, I'm gonna be here all day if I do that. That black spot that was right here that I had the camera on, it is now gone. There was a little bit of lines coming over here. Not no more. The lines happen when you go a little too fast. I kept seeing a lot of little black lines, but this is still kind of wet and it looks kind of horrible still. But all the green taken care of. The house I did for free. All that right there, it was for free, just because this is a returning customer, so I took care of that for him. And there's the driveway. Streak free is the way to be. Streak free is the way to be. Look at that. See any lines? Nope. Beautiful. Another job done. Stream wash, pressure washing.